Just a little bit of a project update right here. We exposed the storefront. As you can see, this used to have a lidded glass window with an arch over here. All of the framing, as you can see up here, is all rotted out. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to save the leaded glass, much to my dismay. However, we will be able to get a arched transom window in there and try to replicate the look of the old storefront, at least open it up, offer some more natural light, and be reminiscent of the old storefront that was here when the project was originally built. There is this space right here where we're going to be actually taking this down so we can add to the floor plan. It's kind of wasted space here. This is going to be where our reception area is when we open up our office. This exposed brick right here you see for the plumbing. This is really jagged. It's driving us nuts. So actually what we're going to do is take where it's jagged and paint it white. Paint it all white and actually paint it up like a square picture frame. So if you can see, let's see, right there, we're gonna actually have it framed in a white paint right here where it is jagged, and clean up and expose the brick beyond that. It'll have a cool look. It also bring in some nice reflective light with white paint. This wall right here, we primed it. We're gonna keep it as is. You can see there's a lot of little imperfections in the paint. We're just gonna keep that. That adds to the character. We're looking for a rough industrial type of look, very classic for this space. So imperfections are beautiful, so we're going to keep a lot of them. We're gonna have a lot of stuff and decoration on the walls anyway, so it's not gonna be so egregious. And on this, where we're bringing that floor down is we're gonna actually create a trap door there so you can have access to the basement. So all we have to do is move a couple of chairs in order to get access to the basement for our storage. The reason why we're doing that is that there's no other basement access besides this door, this trap door right here, which actually takes up a lot of space, a lot of usable, valuable space for the kitchen we want to put in here. So, so we're going to be eliminating that trap door, moving it over to the front over here. So that will be much more usable for us. Other than that, the renderings that I showed you guys on Facebook, I'm changing up a little bit, but keeping with the same concept, open floor plan. This is going to be me and my partner working out of the space for the time being. We can build onto it and grow into it over time. So anyways, just want to give you an update on this. We're very excited. The apartments are coming along just great. We just have some light cosmetic rehab that we're doing on those, so we'll probably be having those advertised for spring. They're going to be priced between $600 and $750 per month, plus utilities, and so very affordable for the area. And look forward to offering it to the market and getting some residents into these vacant apartments. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and we will talk to you soon.